in this session we will be going to discuss about the accounting treatment of goodwill in the case of the admission of partner. When we are talking about the admission of the partner, so how we will be showing the accounting treatment of goodwill. In the last case of the reconstitution of the firm, that was related with change in profit sharing ratio, in which we have observed that the treatment of goodwill was done by adjusting the amount of premium or the goodwill by the capital accounts of the partner or current accounts of the partner on the basis of the gain and the sacrifice made by the partner. But now in this case, when the new partner is being admitted in the firm, it is said that the partner, he will be getting the share of profit and loss in the firm when he will bring some amount in the form of premium for goodwill, and then we have seen that he will bring capital to make the use of the assets of the firm. So these were the two rights given to the partner. So when the new partner is admitted in the firm, so it is said that the new partner should compensate the amount of premium for goodwill towards the sacrificing partner. The partners who have sacrificed their share in favor of the new partner, he has to compensate his amount, that amount in favor of those partners who have sacrificed. But now in this concept there are different situations, इसमें situations हैं. So under each and every situation there is a different accounting treatment when we are talking about the goodwill. So when we are talking about the goodwill, so we will be discussing about these different situations in these coming sessions. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the two conditions. The condition number one, that is related with that when goodwill is privately settled. This is the first condition. When there is a private settlement for the goodwill. When the goodwill is privately settled, then in that case what will happen? That there will be no effect in the books of accounts. इस condition में books of accounts पे कोई effect नहीं आएगा, and there will be no general entry pass because the goodwill is privately settled by the two partners. वो अपने आप उन्होंने क्या है आपस में सेटल कर ली है, प्राइवेट सेटलमेंट कर दिया है उन्होंने, तो उसका आपकी बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So there will be no general entry related with that concept, and there will be no effect in the books of accounts when the goodwill is privately settled amongst the two partners. Now we move to the next condition. The next condition that is related with when goodwill is brought in cash by the incoming partner and it is retained in the business. जब goodwill का amount incoming partner cash में लेकर के आएगा and that will be retained in the business by the firm, और वो firm उस amount को या उस premium for goodwill को क्या करेगी, business में retain करेगी. So in that case what will happen? When any partner is being admitted in the firm, he will bring his amount of capital as well as his amount of premium for goodwill in cash. So in that case, जब वो amount of capital और प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल दोनों ही फर्म में लेकर के आ रहा है, so this will increase the cash or the bank balance of the firm. So the general entry for this concept will be that is cash account debit, bank account debit, oblique. So that means if it is cash, so cash; if it is bank, so bank. So cash oblique bank account debit to premium for goodwill. This is the amount of goodwill which will be brought by the incoming partner, that is premium for goodwill, and to new partners capital account. The partner who is coming, that how much amount of capital he is bringing. So that is the first entry. ये पहली एंट्री बनेगी जब भी कोई पार्टनर प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल कैश में लाएगा और अपना कैपिटल लेकर के आएगा. So increase of cash and bank balance. So debit cash account what comes in bank account or credit with to premium for goodwill by it is coming and to partners capital account. So this is the first entry. It can be separated also. I have written it. मैंने इसको लिखा है कंबाइंड एंट्री के रूप में. आप इसको दो अलग अलग एंट्रीज भी सेपरेटली कर सकते हैं. तो दो सेपरेट एंट्री होगी cash bank debit to premium for goodwill. This is only for premium, and cash account bank account debit to partners capital account, that is new partners capital account. So these two entries will take place when premium for goodwill and the capital is brought by the partner. And alternative, you can make one entry. So after bringing this amount, now this amount is to be credited to partners capital account. अब एक बार ये प्रीमियम का अमाउंट आ गया, तो प्रीमियम का अमाउंट, प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अमाउंट विल बी credited to those partners capital account who have sacrificed their share in favor of the incoming for the new partner. So the entry will be premium for goodwill account debit to partners capital account. Here we are talking about the existing partner, the partner who were old partners in the business, उनके अकाउंट में क्रेडिट कर दी जाएगी in their old profit sharing ratio. Sorry, in the sacrificing ratio. Premium for goodwill adjusted in sacrificing ratios of sacrificing partner. Okay, तो ये आपका एडजस्टमेंट हो गया. दैट प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. द पार्टनर्स हु हैव सैक्रिफाइस्ड देयर शेयर इन देयर अकाउंट, दिस अमाउंट विल बी क्रेडिटेड. ओके, सो दीस आर द टू एंट्रीज व्हिच यू हैव टू पास व्हेन द इनकमिंग पार्टनर ब्रिंग हिज शेयर ऑफ अमाउंट इन कैश. अगर वो कैश में लेकर के आता है. लेट अस सी दिस विद वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल दैट A and B आर पार्टनर्स in the firm who are sharing the profits in the ratio 3:2. Their old profit sharing ratio was 3:2, and now they have decided that what they will be doing, they will be admitting C, and C will be coming for 1/2 share. Okay, they admit C for 1/2 share in the profit. Okay, so this share will be given by A and B respectively. But now let us see this thing, that what we have to do. Now they have said that at the time of the change in agreement, the goodwill of the firm was revalued at rupees 40,000. 40,000 की goodwill. Now we have to make the adjustment of this amount of goodwill. And this share of goodwill is brought by the incoming partner. C bring his premium for goodwill in cash. Okay, so first thing now we have to find out that how much is the amount of C share of premium. So it will be C share of premium equals to revalued goodwill into C share. So revalued goodwill is 40,000 and C is coming for 1/2 share, that is 20,000. So C has to bring 20,000 rupees as his share of premium for goodwill, and they have said that C is bringing this amount. C ये amount लेकर के आ रहा है, and now this amount will be given to A and B in their sacrificing ratio. So here now whether we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio of A and B also, it depends on the condition. In this sum they have said nothing regarding the sacrifice. They have only said that these were the two partner A and B, 3:2, there was their ratio. They admit C for half share and goodwill was revalued at 40,000. But they never said this thing that this half share of C which they are giving will be given by A and B in which ratio. So there is a condition that when nothing is said, so it is assumed that they have given in the ratio of 3:2 only. So their sacrificing ratio of A and B is 3:2. So now this premium for goodwill, that is 20,000, will be given to A and B in the ratio 3:2. So A share of premium equals to 20,000 into 3/5. So 5 4s are 24,000 into 3, 12,000. And B share of premium that is 20,000 into 2 by 5. So 5 4s are 20, again 4 2s are 8. So 12,000 and 8,000 respectively will go to A and B. The amount which 20,000 is brought by C, now it will go to A and B, 12,000 and 8,000. So now we have to pass the general entries. तो अब हम इसकी जनरल एंट्रीज देख लेते हैं क्या करनी है. First it is said that cash account debit to premium for goodwill account. Okay, because there was no information, आपके पास कोई information नहीं है कि कैपिटल भी आया है. तो फर्स्ट एंट्री दैट इज जर्नल. So first journal is cash account debit to premium for goodwill. So this is 20,000 which is brought by C. Okay. Narration: premium for goodwill brought in cash. Now second entry, this premium will be given to A and B. So it will be now premium for goodwill account debit to A's capital account and to B's capital account. Okay, so this will be now premium for goodwill 20,000. Okay, and A's capital account, that is 12,000, and B's capital account, that is 8,000. So this goes in the ratio 3:2 to A and B respectively. Okay, so this is how you will be doing your journal entries. Okay, so journal entries, दो journal entry आपको बनानी है. Okay, one is for premium brought in by the partner and second one will be for what? That will be distribution of that premium into the sacrificing partners capital account in their sacrificing ratio. Okay, so this is how you will be showing the treatment related with the goodwill in these two cases which we have discussed today. Okay, hope you have understood these two cases, how you have to do. In first case there will be no accounting effect, there will be no accounting entries, there will be no effects in the books of account as it is privately settled. And in second case, when you are bringing some money for premium for goodwill, so first you bring that amount for premium for goodwill and then this premium for goodwill account will be given to the sacrificing partners capital account or credited to their account in their sacrificing ratio, and we have explained this thing with the help of one example. Hope you understand all these two conditions related to the treatment of goodwill. Thank you and have a nice day.